Hello guys, so this video is all about setting up the environment that I want you to open up before you join the workshop on the 20th. So let's begin. You might have downloaded the Unity, so you will get the Unity hub over there and let it be open. So you just create a new project and make sure you open up that project while coming and name anything you want. Okay, create. Now I'm pausing my video because it takes some time. So guys, my Unity is open up. The window that you would be seeing will be look like in default. Okay, so this is the window that the environment that you will be seeing when you open first. You can create the way that it's look mine because I feel comfortable in that particular environment just by dragging and dropping these windows. I usually put my projects tab there and with the hierarchy there and in console restart there and just put out my hierarchy above there and my game scene down there. Okay, so now it's look, but if you are not comfortable with it, it's okay. You can, or if you have done this, you can just save the particular layout whatever you want. I just call it temp for now for the sake of time, and you should see that your environment is safe. But in whatever you want, you just make sure you what environment you are comfortable you should create. Just make sure that there is a scene and the game window you should see side by side. There are other layers, other layouts also, like 2 by 3 split, that is again good, but I am much lefty side, so that's why I keep my things on the left and do right. Okay, so I'm back to my environment. So guys, now what you require is, you can see that there is a Unity scene. It's have the asset folder and that particular scenes, and we are right now in a sample scene. Okay, so now it's time to import our assets, that particular like graphics that you have seen in the video. I have given the link in the description. Go there to that link. Okay, I just miss out that particular link. Okay, just download that particular. It's a 38 MB file. It's a package that look like this when you download it. Okay, so it's downloaded, just a few seconds. Okay, now fine, and just drag and drop this to the Unity in the assets. Okay, import all. Just wait for a few seconds to let it to import. Okay, this sure will take time to import the cube map. Actually, cube map is the world that you have seen in the like surrounding backgrounds. Cube map is like the entire world. It looks like a cube, and we just put our images on the all faces of the cube. And what it is doing right now, it's pre-processing all about the light reflections, how it will affect the our surrounding. While changing the cube box, you will encounter that it's much creating us it much giving the changes in the reflections and the colors of the environment. So that's why it's a pre-computation is doing all about the calculation of how light goes on, how its reflection that you have studied in the 11th and 12th. And luckily it's all done internally. That's why just we have to wait for a few seconds to done its computation, and then we sure get a good results. Okay, it's have done its computation. Now the things should be quite fast. Just wait for a few seconds more. So it's loading our. Okay, so it have imported. You can see there is bunch of folders that are added. So you just hit to that particular CSI folder and go to the CSI scenes, hit on the CSI game. So you can see this is the world that we have. Okay, so just click on the play and test that can you play this particular game. Use your arrows or keys, AS, WASD or the arrows. Okay, so I am out. So check guys that can you are you able to play the particular game, and if you play then it's fine that you have installed all things correctly. So guys, now you have successfully played the game. Now let's test out the editor. Go to edit, preferences. Make sure that your external script editor is Visual Studio 2019. Okay, that you have installed. While it must be there for the 99% cases automatically, but in case you found any error, just contact me. Okay, so now let's head to the C sharp script so we can test out our editor is working or not. Open up any script. I go to CSI script folder, then I click on this particular hash tag icon, and then I click on the open. Okay, so this takes some time to open Visual Studio, but okay, so let's wait for this to open up. So guys, at the end of the workshop and at the while you are attending the workshop, just make sure that you open the Unity like this and open any of the scripts so that we do not, like you are saying that there is a quite time taking in opening the Unity and the Visual Studio. So I don't want to waste any bit of time in opening and closing that. Okay. So you make sure you open any script in the just to make sure that our Visual Studio is open up and Unity is also open up. You should open that particular game only. Okay, because our whole content of the game is right there on the, and this particular CSI folder is just for you in case you get a track lost and you want to see like what the entire game look like. But we will be making our own game. That's why I have separated out in this particular CSI folder entire things, but we will start from the sample scene that you have seen the first in the beginning while opening the Unity. Okay, you don't be getting this because you are in the latest version. I am getting this. Okay, so my Visual Studio is right there on my screen. Just wait to get it ready signal. Once they all are open, they are really quick and fast. It doesn't take much amount of time. Yeah, that's going on. Might be on your system, they will be quite fast. Okay, I guess we are ready to go. So like this way you have opened your C sharp editor and the Unity also. So guys, make sure that you open all this stuff with you while joining the workshop. Take care. Goodbye. and see you in the workshop.